Are you struggling to initialize constant elements in an array in C++? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common challenge that many programmers face. I totally get it. It can be incredibly frustrating when you have a lot of data to generate and the usual methods just won't cut it. You're definitely not the first to run into this issue. Here's the situation. One user asked how to initialize constant elements of an array using a function. They tried using mempy, but it didn't work. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's the issue here? In C++, constant elements of an array cannot be modified after initialization. This means we need a different approach to populate them dynamically. And stick around. I have a great solution at the end that will simplify your coding process and save you time. To initialize constant elements of an array using a function, the user can utilize a static array. This allows the array to be initialized at compile time while still using a function to generate the values. Next, the user should define the function that generates the data. This function will return an array of integers, which can then be assigned to the constant array. Now, the user needs to ensure that the function is called in a way that allows the array to be initialized correctly. This can be done by using a helper function or a lambda expression. Finally, the user can access the elements of the array as needed in their program. Since the array is constant, its values cannot be modified after initialization. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of C++ was released in 1985? It's amazing how far programming has come since then. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests creating a writable array first. You can initialize this array and then create a constant reference to it. Here's the solution I promised. Use a temporary non-const array to hold your data, then copy it to your const array. This method is efficient and effective. And there you have it. You can now initialize constant elements of an array in C++ with ease. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more programming tips and tricks.